Indian cuisine is more than just food. It is a symphony of colors, aromas, and flavors that beckon food lovers from around the globe. Each region in India has its own unique culinary identity, shaped by the climate, geography, and cultural influences that contribute to its rich variety. In the north, dishes such as butter chicken and paneer tikka are celebrated for their creamy textures and the intense flavors of aromatic spices. The appeal of biryani, a dish that combines fragrant rice with juicy meats or vegetables, varies widely across states, each adding its signature twist to this beloved recipe. As we journey westward, the vibrant flavors of Maharashtra come to life with dishes like vada pav, a spicy potato fritter served in a bun, and puran poli, a sweet flatbread that showcases the region's penchant for pairing sweet with savory. Gujarat stands out with its thali, a delightful assortment of small dishes that marry flavors and textures, often featuring a delightful mix of sweet, salty, and tangy. This regional diversity creates a culinary narrative that encapsulates stories through every meal. In the south, rice reigns supreme, forming the base of many cherished dishes like dosa, a crisp pancake made from fermented batter, and sambar, a lentil-based stew bursting with spices and vegetables. The flavors of Kerala are unmistakable, especially when seafood takes center stage, while the iconic Hyderabadi biryani, rich with saffron and spices, remains a must-try dish for visitors. To the east, the culinary wonders of Bengal reveal delicate sweets like rasgulla, as well as spiced fish curries from Odisha that tantalize the taste buds with a perfect balance of heat and flavor. More recently, urban centers in India have seen the emergence of fusion cuisine, where traditional recipes intersect with global influences, creating an innovative culinary landscape that reflects the dynamic culture and diverse palate of modern India. This blend of traditions and ingredients in Indian cuisine goes beyond mere sustenance. It embodies celebrations, rituals, and family gatherings, inviting everyone to partake in a joyous feast of flavors. To truly appreciate this world of culinary delights is to engage in its history and embrace the warmth of its culture. If you're captivated by the savory richness of Indian cuisine, explore these dishes and celebrate the vibrant tapestry they create. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this culinary journey, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more delicious insights.